And it comes with the mild sauce and the seasoning. Alright. Do you want me to mute? You can, not hear anything? Because, sometimes people cuss me out. Sometimes people cuss me out. Not that I give a fuck. But I'm trying to be respectful. If you don't mute, okay? Speaking of cussing out, old Katie was drinking. I used to like no madness. Now, she's just too judgy. She don't like the truth either. She's one of those. You're judgy. Girl, your opinion of me would be close to what I would care about Foodie's opinion of me. You're at the bottom of the list. Get sober or don't. But sitting around, shooting your mouth off, all drunk. Wow, what a claim to fame on YouTube. Good luck. Her opinion of me is her problem. She ruined her life. Ruined it. Now, years out old being a waitress. Because she, instead of the gift of her weight loss surgery and maybe putting herself in counseling so she didn't transfer the addiction to vodka, she just chose the wrong path and lost everything. Doug, her vehicle, she probably could lose her home. You know what? Yeah. Hey, like she always says, She always says, people doing better than you will never come for you. Well, coming for you and telling the truth and the facts and what you're presenting to the public is open for scrutiny. Welcome to the world we live in. And how many times she dragged every fucking buddy because she's jealous and she's angry. Do better. Glow up. You'll never see 60, just like Foodie. I've helped her out. I have helped her out with money. I've helped her out. I used to care about her. Long time ago. She really had something going for herself. And then she just... Well, and that's the thing. They dump their addiction in your face because they don't want to be alone. So they make excuses of why they just put their addiction in your face. And you can't say anything about it. I don't live in that world. That's Delulu land. Yeah, I have done a lot for her. But she shits on everybody that does anyway. Oh, and by the way, that little Duke is not a Chihuahua. He's a mixed breed. That dog is not a Chihuahua. That is a mixed breed. I had hopes that she would get help. That time she almost died. I did. But that's like holding on to hope that Foodie is ever going to get herself in a glow-up state. You know what I mean? Bye, Snickers. Yeah, that dog ain't a Chihuahua. Not a full breed. I think Foodie is going to get to that point where she's stuck in Kuwait because she can't afford to leave. She'll have no other home. Yeah, she still has Royal. I feel bad for him, too. They're all going to have fleas again every summer. And the fleas will eat up that little puppy. Tig's like, I've never had fleas. And I was like, because I give you Brovecto. Because Mama gives you Brovecto. Every year. 12 years. Here we go. I don't want a flea in my house. I know, Cindy Loho. Yeah, she's still got the 2 cats. Alright. I would pet you, but I'm eating. He's literally standing on his hind feet with his paws on my leg. What you got, Mom? I know, Witchy. My baby Boston is my fur baby. I am not ever getting fleas. Exactly. Those fleas tear up them dogs. They can get anemia from them. Every year, her house is infested with fleas. Oh, geez, you got a flat tire.